Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an exciting project transforming waste material into beautiful functional planters. Not only we will reduce the waste, but we will also add a touch of greenery to our spaces. So let's get started. Here is what you all need for this project: a waste container, primer, brushes and few paint colors. First take a waste container and clean it to remove all the dirt, and then paint it with primer. Let it dry for half an hour or 1 hour. If it's summer time, it dries quickly. And then now it's time to get creative with paint, and for this my daughter and my son started helping me. This is the start of creating a masterpiece. So you can see both of them are doing the painting work. My daughter is just painting it with yellow because her favorite color is yellow, and she is in the yellow house in her school. So they have painted the base as yellow, and then you can decorate the bottle with colors and patterns of your choice. Like I give a free hand. I have not used any pencil or something to design. I just use the brush and paint it randomly, any pattern or any design. So first of all, if this container is painted with yellow color, then we, by using the brush, we can have our creativity done on this. So I just use to make some flowers, like a garden. So I have made some big flowers pink, using pink color, and then with the green color I am just painting it, the flowers and the stems, and at the base I am just trying to make the tulip type flowers, like small grasses and all, so that it feels as if it is the garden full of flowers. You can just see different flowers have been made, and then the grasses and the tulips are being painted here. And after it's done, let it dry and then apply varnish to this, and your container is ready. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative DIY projects. Thanks for watching.